Okay, year 5. Now, I said to you back in video number 1 when we were drawing the maze that you could, if you wanted to, you could try using different colours for the walls. It's easier, obviously, if you stick with one colour because it reduces the amount of coding you need, but if you want to challenge yourself a bit more, then definitely try using some different colours and modifying your code to do that. Okay, so so here I've changed the wall, the first wall here, to this blue colour, and we've got the green as the other walls, which is fine. So at the moment, if I run the code, our character Dot will be able to travel through this blue wall. And it might be that you want that. It might be that you want to make certain parts of the walls that you can travel through and some you can't, and all that sort of stuff. But let's say we wanted it so that blue was also the colour that that you wanted, if Dot touched it, that it would also go back to the start, that Dot couldn't go through that wall. So you need to modify one of your procedures for this, and you would need to modify the Dot touching walls procedure is what you would need to modify. But how do you modify it, and what do you need to change? So let's move it into the middle here so we can see it a bit clearer. So at the moment it says if touching colour green, then go back to the start, and we need to incorporate this blue somehow. Okay, and we can do that using some operators. Okay, using some operators. You know these ones, the greater than, less than, equals to. So I'm over here on the left hand side looking at the operators. You know these ones. Okay, but we can use these and, or, and not operators as well. Okay, you can see they're the same diamond shape. Okay, so so if I use this or operator, okay, it lets me put two things into here. Okay, so if we know that green is definitely one we want to keep, okay, so I'm going to take the green out and I'm going to duplicate the green, so we've got two of those, and then I'm going to pick this blue colour using the colour picker, and now I'm going to put the green in there and the blue in there, and we now get a sentence really that says, if we put it back in there again, move that across so we can see it, we get a sentence that really says if, you know, touching colour green or touching colour blue, then go back to the start again. And so now when we run the code, if we now touch this blue colour, it goes back to the start, as well as if we touch the green, it goes back to the start as well. So we can see how we can use these operators to create more colours. Now you can also stack these up, so you can have three colours. If you wanted three different walls, you would have to put this or inside that or, and you would create another, you'd create another hole for it basically. Make sure you get it in the right place though, and you create another slot, and so you can stack those up and create more ors to create different colours. So you can have three different coloured walls, you have four different coloured walls, but you have to create lots of these ors. You can also do the reverse, so you can say, well, if it's not touching a colour, so if it's not touching blue, then do this, or or you can say touch green or blue or red, but not yellow, for example, and you can experiment with that. So this is more of an advanced feature, but advanced bit of coding, but definitely give it a try and see what you can come up with as well for changing the colours of your walls. I hope that's useful, and I'll post this video as well. Thank you.